I kick things off with Copilot, providing a little information to get started. I add some details about my daughter. I can also change the style so it creates something fun and festive. And Copilot goes to work, finding the right words and searching my OneDrive for the best photos. In seconds, Copilot generates a beautiful presentation with memories, accomplishments, and advice for the future. I can add my own personal touches to it, and Copilot will be at my side. Now, let's look at this slide. I'm really happy with the design, but Copilot didn't quite have what it needed, so I'm going to rework the text. I can then ask Copilot to make it more concise and add images. Okay, now that looks great. On this next slide, there's a part that Copilot didn't quite get right, so I'll rewrite it so that it sounds a little bit more like me. I also want to use a different image here, so I'll just tell Copilot what I want, and Copilot will find it. I can add transitions between the slides, which I always forget, so that when I play the presentation, it looks really polished. Okay, I like how that turned out. Now, I don't know about you, but PowerPoint animations have never been my strong suit. I love that I can do this on my own. It's time to get ready for your customer pitch meeting. Now, everyone has had a moment when they wish they could turn their proposal into a customer-ready presentation without having to start from scratch. Well, guess what? Now you can. Copilot can turn your Word document into a PowerPoint presentation. Now you have a professional-looking presentation that you can hone and polish. This is truly amazing. Using just your words, Copilot translates Word into PowerPoint and PowerPoint into Word. Now, let's add a slide and give Copilot some quick instructions. There it goes, ready for you to review. Now, this slide is a little bit wordy. Let's ask Copilot to make it more visual. And check this out. Copilot can even animate the slide. It gives it a professional design treatment in a single click. But it doesn't stop there. Copilot can even generate speaker notes. I am serious. Speaker notes. It's not only a time saver, it's helping me be a better presenter and close this deal.